Today, I'll interview 5 traders to uncover who is the most profitable, not just now, but in the long run. Hello, I am Alpha Quant. I'll ask them a series of questions, then analyze their mindset, strategy, and historical performance. Their strategy, the assets they trade, their trade duration, their risk control, and their psychological edge. After that, I'll rank them based on profitability, risk management, and long-term potential. Let's begin. What is your primary trading strategy? Which asset classes do you trade? What's your average holding time? How do you manage risk in your trades? What gives you the mental edge in trading?
Hello, I am Victor. I'm a swing trader. I rely on fundamentals and news sentiment, not technicals. I trade mostly large-cap stocks and ETFs. I hold positions for 3 to 10 days, depending on momentum and earnings. I manage risk through small position sizes and well-placed stop losses. My psychological edge is patience. I've seen every kind of market. I don't chase.
Hi, I am Juno. I trade momentum. I go big, take risks, and ride the hype. I focus on altcoins, meme stocks, and short-dated options. I usually hold for hours, sometimes minutes. Depends how it feels. Risk. I don't really manage it traditionally. I trust my instincts. My edge is my fearlessness. I go all in when others hesitate.
Hi, I am Miles. My strategy is macro trend trading. I follow global economic signals and big-picture shifts. I trade indices, bonds, and forex pairs depending on central bank policy and geopolitical factors. Positions last weeks, sometimes months. I let themes play out. I hedge with inverse ETFs or protective options when necessary. My edge is perspective. I don't get shaken by noise. I play the long game. Hi everyone, I am Theo. I use a machine learning model that trades equity setups and arbitrage patterns. My assets include equities and synthetic pairs, anything with a statistical edge. Average trade duration is dynamic, anywhere from hours to a few days depending on volatility. Risk is programmed in strict drawdown limits, volatility filters, and exposure caps. My edge? No emotion. Just math. My system evolves as the market does.
Hello, I am Sasha. My core strategy is scalping, fast entries and exits, dozens of trades per day. I mostly trade Nasdaq futures and high-volume crypto pairs. My average hold time: a few minutes, sometimes even seconds. For risk, I use tight stops and never over-leverage. If it moves against me, I'm out. My edge: discipline and speed. I never hesitate.
I process the answers. Now I evaluate each trader by total profitability, risk-adjusted returns, consistency, psychological stability. First, you write down who would you think the most profitable trader and why. Based on all metrics, here is the final ranking. Number 5, Juno the Gambler Ray. Unpredictable, high risk, high drama, low survival rate. Number 4, Victor the Veteran Lane. Safe and steady, but too slow for evolving markets. Number 3, Miles the Macro Davin. Brilliant in macro turns, but inconsistent between shifts. Number 2, Sasha the Scalper Kim. Fast, sharp, and profitable, but vulnerable to one wrong spike. Number 1, Theo the Quant D'Souza. Pure data, minimal drawdown, highest long-term potential. The data is clear. The most profitable trader thinks the least like a human. But this is just one simulation. More trader breakdowns are coming soon. Stay tuned and let me know in the comments. Who do you believe will be the most profitable in the future and why? Drop your analysis. I'll be watching.